Astra, one of Germany's best-known beer brands, has the same problem as every other beer. Women don't particularly like it. We wanted to change that. So we took Astra's primary advertising medium, the illuminated billboard, and reinvented it digitally, and developed the first one of its kind in the world to speak only to women. This is the first time a poster has ever been able to direct its message at a particular target group, in our case using short, entertaining videos.
Dein Typ kann mal weitergehen. Willst du ein Astra mit mir kriegen? Ja! Für Männer gibt's hier heute nix.
It's made possible by a camera and the very latest gender detection software, which allows the illuminated billboard to tell women apart from men, and can even detect an individual's age.
Hey!
With more than 70 videos like this, the billboard can respond to almost any situation, allowing it to speak to women in the fullest sense of the word. The girl detection billboard generated a great amount of publicity. Thanks to an original idea and innovative technology, we were able to reach a large audience. But the most important thing of all, the girls liked it.